Hi there, and welcome to Matillion. I am Manish Shrestha, and I am a solution architect on our support team. Mission Critical Support, or MCS, offers a premium level of support above the included standard support level. So what is included with Mission Critical Support? It gives you access to additional support features, such as a premium support team who are designated to assisting with support cases for our MCS customers. Based on that, this gives MCS customer faster response time from our support team. In addition, we include 24/7 critical support for Severity 1 production down support cases. MCS also provides 2 expert sessions per year, which include a 30-minute scheduled in-depth session with technical experts to provide best practices for getting maximum value from Matillion. Also, a yearly support service review, which includes key performance reports to optimize the value of your Matillion support service. This can be delivered in a report or live session. If you want to sign up for MCS or for pricing, please contact your sales representative. Thank you for your support and your partnership.